That's the plate that I picked. This one here. That's what you get in it for 12 bucks. Want to give me another fruit drink. So what do you guys think? You guys like what you see? Gotta come to Cook Island, guys, and have a good time here in Rarotonga. So sweating. Can you see? Can you tell? Look at the food. You get fresh drink, beautiful food. It's cheap food actually. That's a mini barbecue. I got me a $12 plate, the big one, Big Mama one. So come on down to Cook Island. Always do that. You get some cheap flights, so that's like $4.99 return flight sometimes. Come to Rarotonga, $4.99 return flight. Then you can only take your carry-on, and then you can come here for a holiday. What do you think? Okay. Gotta go wait in line for my food now, guys. I'm after that guy over there. Okay. Adios, amigos. I'm next. Those are my plates, she's 3.
They need to like move their ring.
Boy, if I go to here, I'll take her everywhere. No, we're going to do that one day. Do you want it wrapped?
Yes, please.
Just 2 bags. Oh,
Yes.
Okay. Then leave her here. Leave her here.
She's right.
You're a pig out of the molding.
Can I have one with mushroom and one without the mushroom sauce, please?
Tomato sauce. Do you want tomato sauce on it?
Oh, yeah. Tomato would be nice. Thank you.
Like her mom, brown.
I'm going to brown.
But she looks like you. You don't like
Thank you so much. Yeah, I'll just leave
You
it.
got one more? Oh.
Thanks.
Do you want your fork? I don't have a bag, sorry.
Oh, That's all right. I got one in my bag. I mean, yeah, this is my bag. I got a bag in my bag. Thank you, though.
Thank you. Did you want it wrapped?
I got all my food here, guys, that I got from the market. So I'm going to show you. It's going to be a bit windy. But that's the beach back there. You probably can hear it. So I've got a poke. It's made out of the manioka. See? So that's part of my food. And I've got this raw fish. Hang on. There's some water. Just had ice on top. So I got the ikamata. So good. I should have got extra lemon just to squeeze over it. I like my raw fish with extra lemon. Okay, guys. And then this lid, squash that down. Doesn't go flying. Yeah. And I got the barbecue plate with the secret sauce. And I got chips, salad, and rice with it. So this will be good. Got a lot of food here, guys, in Cook Island. In Rarotonga. Anyway, just gotta send thanks. I gotta go straight into this one. I should have bought some galo, but never mind. There's plenty of other yummy food to eat with. Hey guys, now the first bite. Whoa. That's very nice. And here is the manioka poke. Guys, come on, sharing is caring. Very good. See behind me? It's a bit over here. This is a bit brighter. Sort of, kinda. Okay. We'll stop saying now, guys. This is so very nice. There was only one left when we bought it. So delicious, man. Very nice. Some ladies can cook, man. Tell you. So delicious. Bye. That's so nice. That's my favourite. And then the banana one. This raw fish is so yummy. A lot of love when you just Okay. And this barbecue plate's got chips. It's so nice. Always got to be that cheeky one fish that drop. Okay. And then there's the chop. Now I'm going to taste and see if they have their secret marination. It's actually nice. It's actually nice, just chop. So they give you two pieces of chopped. Then they give you chicken as well, and a salad and chips and rice. For $12, that's pretty decent. Really nice. You see my food? Beautiful. This raw fish is mayonnaise. I don't know what fish was used, but so lovely. I know it's dark, but I come here because of the shade. There's sun over there, but there's no chair. They're working on the pools over there. Shivers took Mokotoi. There we go. Now you can see all my food. Cold, you watch it. Indeed. This is so lovely. See? Can you see it? We're going to Te Wharanui tonight. It was so nice that I went up to meet that Te Wharanui lady, and that's her name. She said, the owner of Te Wharanui, she said that's her name. So nice. I really love this kind of food. I can eat this all. So lovely. I just love this raw fish. You will hardly find me chopping up cucumber in tiny little bits like this. You will hardly not find me. You know why? Because I don't have the patience, but this person took the time. And everything's put together so beautifully. See, it's good we're having lunch by the sea. And you see, so lovely, man. So lovely. On top of the chops, they put like a creamy sauce on it. Now, this rice was made yesterday, I can tell, but I guess they do it like that because there's so much to do, so they want to get the rice out, but it's still edible, not that it's off or anything. This is lovely, man. Guys, I'm gonna dig into the shops. Okay. It is ai parang I gaming ai. Enough very ai hamo. Ai hamo. Ah, tapi fifi Việt Nam ya. Nhậu mấy. Nó trong. So good. We're down here in the beach behind me. It's lovely. What have you guys got there to eat? Here's a look. Anyway, nice to have you join me in Kukulan. Raratok. So we hung out with my brother last night and his family. You know, it was really nice. Everyone was having a good time, and the host, which was Calvin and his wife Carmen. Yep, they hosted very nice people at Italia, and then I got one drink from Carmen. No, one drink from Calvin. I think Calvin made it. It was lovely. One was enough. Okay, there goes Bang Bang Bang. What's he trying to say? Do I have to end it? He better watch it. That's all I know. He better watch it. Or else. Oh, look at this chop. They said they got secret marination. Oh. Yeah, this is quite nice. And you'll be licking my fingers, so I made sure I double wash it. It's so good, guys. They even give you a pork chop. Oh, lovely. And then I find out Carmen is my brother's stepdaughter. Yep. And my brother really loves his stepkids. They're like his own. That's how he treats them. And they have a good respect for my brother. He has a son named Evander, and he likes like water stuff, water sports. He used to be in the canoeing tournament, and they won. This was a couple of years back, and now he's here in the Cook Island getting his scuba diving certificate. So one day, you can come to the island, you can get your chef's certificate, to be a chef. There's some good opportunities here. And in the amount of time that they teach you, you don't even have to be there for like 4 or 5 years or whatever that you have to, you know, it's all like compact. So you're there all the time, getting the certificates and doing what you have to do to get the certificate. This is what I was trying to tell my kids. You know, we come here and then they come and stay here till they get their certificates and work here for a little bit. And if not, at least they got their certificates to take it out to where they want to be staying, well, probably Australia. We've got lovely food today, guys. Lovely food. Oh. Well, guys. This is so lovely. Oh, a little bit more. So good. Anyway, thanks for hanging out with me, guys. This food is so nice. I like his marination, dear secret marination. I have a secret marination too. People like my marination, but I won't tell them what it is. Because that's why it's called secret marination. Okay guys, thanks for hanging out with me. You guys take care. And I'll see you again on my next video. Akite, all the way from Rarotonga.